Sergeant, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 601 AM Central Daylight Time Saturday, April 1, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Cullman Moore Lincoln Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan, 601 AM Central Daylight Time Saturday, April 1, 2023. Wind advisory now in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. West winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, wind, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions: use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. And